Metro Pacific Investments Corporation beats expectations with a 20% increase in core net income, reaching 15 billion pesos in just 6 months. As the company expands into agri-food and tollways, big plans for growth continue, including Maynilad's upcoming IPO and push into electric vehicle charging. Jin Kim returns with this report.
Metro Pacific Investments Corporation beat expectations in the first half of 2025, reporting a 20% increase in core net income to 15 billion pesos, while reported net income surged 36% to 17 billion pesos, boosted by the sale of Philippine Coastal Storage earlier this year. Management noted that this 15 billion peso core net income was once a full-year record pre-pandemic, now achieved in just 6 months.
MPIC's numbers continue to show double-digit growth. Power continued to contribute the largest share at 11.2 billion or 64% of net operating income, with water and toll roads contributing 3.8 billion and 3.3 billion.
Meanwhile, Maynilad's initial public offering is on track for October, with a target fundraise of $500 to $600 million, mainly through primary shares. Both international and local investors are now in final approval stages. Beyond utilities, MPIC is expanding its footprint in food security. The conglomerate has already acquired 5 agri companies and is fast-tracking its plan to build 10 new greenhouse sites outside Metro Manila.
He really wants us to help the agri and the farmers. This expansion into food and agri has always been MVP's push to make us self-sustenance in terms of feeding ourselves for the country. If we import most of the things that we eat, then what will happen to us?
MPIC is already supplying to SNR and is set to enter the marketplace, Shopwise, Pure Gold, and Landers by mid-August. Over at Metro Pacific Tollways Corporation, IPO plans are also moving forward. MPTC confirmed that total debt stands at 70 to 80 billion pesos, with 20 to 25 billion scheduled for refinancing.
But we have prioritized the debt servicing arrangements for the maturities that are going to be expected this next 12 months.
The company is targeting to raise at least 30 billion pesos via primary share offering. MPTC hopes to complete most of CALAX by year-end, with remaining segments possibly spilling into Q1 2026. Meanwhile, Meralco's growth remained flat as more households shift to rooftop solar panels, eroding demand. But a potential new growth driver is taking shape: electric vehicles. EV makers like VinFast and BYD are now in talks with Meralco for power support, including the installation of charging stations across the country. Jin Kim, Billionaire News Channel.